Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to auto collect items and materials in Mini War Roblox. So in order to do that, you need to purchase auto collect. So if you don't have Robux, you'll just have to go to the shopkeeper. In order to do that, you have to go to this buy icon here and then go to the special icon here and then purchase this one here, the storage center building. So if you don't have enough money to buy this one, y- and you just have to sell your crops. So let's try and going back to our country, collect all the items here, and let's go sell those crops. So I have enough money now. So I just have to buy this one. So you just need the storage center building, okay? And you need to put it in here. And once you have that, it will auto collect the items and you don't have anything to do. And that's it and how to auto collect items in this mini war game in Roblox.